If you're getting a Base44 bad request error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it. These steps are simple, practical, and designed to help you get back on track fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful software fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, look at your last prompt and click the revert button underneath it. This will undo the most recent action and often clears up the issue right away if the error was caused by a bad edit or a broken prompt. After that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the browser data clearing menu. Make sure you clear your cached files and cookies, since old browser data can sometimes trigger bad request errors and stop Base44 from loading correctly. Once that's done, go back and try your prompt again. If your prompt is very large or overly complex, simplify it. Break it into a shorter version with fewer instructions, because long prompts can sometimes cause the request to fail. Keep it clear, direct, and easy for the system to process. If you still see the error, go to the official Base44 status page and check whether the service is currently down or experiencing issues. If the platform is having an outage, the problem may not be on your end at all. In that case, you may need to wait until the service is restored before trying again. So to recap, revert the last prompt, clear your cache and cookies, simplify large prompts, and check the official status page. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.